Hi guys, today I'm just doing a small video about how I've made a laptop stand out of foam board. This is just a very simple stand, a couple of pieces of foam board stuck together. Nothing too complicated. You can choose any size as long as it's slightly bigger or it covers most of the area of the laptop. If you see, there's just a few bits on the edges that are on the outside that are sticking out, but the bottom is covering the entire laptop length. So all you have to do is just cut about probably 4 or 5 pieces, 6 pieces probably, 2 on each side and 1 bottom, so you have 5 pieces. If you see, I've just painted it silver. There's nothing complicated with that, just any spray paint that works on foam board, and you use hot glue. The hot glue will help you, it'll stick quite firm and it'll keep it firm. The side edges that you see, the side plates or foam board extensions, it's just to give it support. All you do is just stick them. There's no particular length, as long as you make a nice firm edge and you hold it and it's straight. That's all you need. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you need a further video on how to do it, I can help you with that as well.